selfish.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is very short and straightforward. Now, wax stick, and all you need to do is just place your wax stick generously on the air. Even though it's a frontal, a closure, anything you have, you need a wax stick. Just tame down the air. And guys, I'm not using too much wax stick because I don't want it to be very sticky. I'm just using a little bit. So guys, I decided to use my hand dryer on this part of the closure, and I'm going to be using my hot comb on that other part of the closure. I just wanted to show you how important the hot comb or the dryer is, or what worked better for me or for you. I'm just using the round comb, the dryer, to make that side of the closure flat. So I parted it into two, and I'm going to be doing the same thing I did the other time. Just watch. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it.
Trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly, and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake boobies I paid them Benjis.
And now we're about to use our hot comb. Guys, hold on, I'll show you the difference between using an hot comb and a dryer. Like I've always told you in my previous video, whenever you're using an hot comb, always comb it through and be careful with the closure, because if you're using an HD closure, then once you are too hard on your closure lace, it is going to tear off. So be careful while using the hot comb or the dryer on an HD closure. So I'm just doing the same process, using the hot comb to comb down the hair while using the round brush. Guys, look at what I'm doing now, using the back of the hot comb to press it down. That side is super hot and you really need it. Instead of just brushing it with the comb, you really need to use the back of the hot comb. Guys, so I just decided to pluck a few out of the closure lace, because whenever you pluck your hair, your frontal, your closure, it just gives you a tiny bit of hair to work with, and it makes it look more natural. Guys, can you see, this is the part I use the hot comb, and the second part is where I use the dryer. Guys, I really don't know what to think right now. I'm feeling the hot comb better than the hand dryer, and to think there was a time I used the hand dryer alone without the hot comb. But anyways, I'm going in and using the hot comb and the dryer together. I guess the combination of both just gives me a perfectly flat on flat closure of frontal.
I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything.
So guys, as promised, this video is very short and it's just a direct, straightforward video. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you guys learned one or two things out of this short video. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye.